So, good evening, everyone. Today we are gonna to discuss lead code problem number 657, that is robot return to origin. So, without wasting the time, let's start the problem. And so, if we erase all the stuff over here, so the problem is saying that there is a robot at the starting position 0 comma 0, the origin on the 2D plane. Basically, it is an XY plane. Given a sequence of its move, judge if this robot say end up 0 comma 0. So as the question defines that the robot is moving in any direction, which is written over here, right, left, up and down. So when the robot moves, its coordinate changes. Like if currently robot is now, let's suppose robot is on 0 comma 0, and if he moves upward, so his coordinate will be 0 comma 1. Similar way, if he move left at this position, that is 0 comma 1, the coordinate of the robot will be 1 comma 1. So if 0 comma 0 is the initial position and 1 comma 1 is the final position, then both the positions are different. So robot is not in the origin position which a question is demanding. So we have given a moves string in which each character representing the direction which the robot takes. So if we taken a brute force approach to solve this question, we can simply read each and every character of the string and perform some operation on the code. Like if you see that if he move one step, if the robot moves only one step, then there is only change in the one coordinate. Like if he moves in the upward direction, then there is a change in from 0 to 1. If he move in the x direction, then there is a change in x coordinate. So in a similar manner, whenever robot moves, there is only change in either in the x direction, either in the y coordinate. So if we begin from the code, we can write it as first of all, we have to read each and every character of the string. So we apply the for loop for, we define a character ch for moves. Basically, this code will read each and every character of your moves string. After that, before that, we have to initialize our I and j coordinate. So let's suppose int x equals 0 and y equal 0, because let's suppose that robot is at origin in the initial. Okay, so now the robot is at origin position, and when it moves in the upper direction, so we know that in the upper direction there is always y increment. So we can use simple if else condition. If character equal, here mention is that upward direction is mentioned by capital U, left direction is mentioned by capital L, and the right direction is mentioned by capital R, and capital D is represented the down direction. So if we imagine a coordinate geometry graph, we we can clearly imagine that whenever we are moving in the upward direction, there is an increment in y coordinate, so we can increment the y. And if we move in the left direction, suppose for if we move in the left direction, wait a minute, like if we move in the down direction, so that we can easily understand the question. If we move in the down direction, then we can find that there is a decrement in the jth coordinate, that is decrement in the y coordinate. So we can simply decrement the y axis in the similar manner. If we find character equal right, character equal right, so we can say that uh, there is x increment. And the last option is is if character is left, so x will be decrement, so x will be decrement. And now we have calculated the all final position. After that, whenever the loop will be end, so after moving forward, when this loop will be end, we are at the final coordinate where the robot lies, because it will check each and every